Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video we're going to show you where you can find a recycle bin or trash folder on your Android phone, for instance to recover already deleted files or to delete them permanently from your Android device. So let us get started. Now in the first step, launch your Android phone, and what you want to do after that is search here on your home screen for a folder called My Files or simply Files. The location of that folder on your Android phone may vary depending on the phone model and installed operating system, like the Android version for instance. As you can see guys, if I swipe down here on my home screen, I will find the Files folder here. So what you want to do guys is simply tap on it to access it, and here in that folder scroll down till you find the recycle bin folder. If you can't find it right away, don't worry guys, because you can simply use the search bar here at the top or tap on these three lines in the very top left corner, and there you go. You may find a recycle bin folder here under the name trash, so simply tap on it and here you will be given access to all the deleted files on your Android phone. These will remain in that recycle bin or trash folder here for a time span of 30 days. After these 30 days, these files will get deleted permanently. During that time, you may also restore the given file by simply tapping on restore here, or delete them manually by tapping on delete. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.